today we'll talk about how can you select sort replace on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next, just click here on settings here. Then you come to next zip here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So then you click here on follow and feed preferences, just click on it. You sorry, we will go back here. You click here on trade preferences. Sorry, that you click here on trade preferences here. You come to next zip here, you come here to sort replace, and here can you select your replace here in this list. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.